Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study the reactions of carboxylic acid, especially reactions of ammonia, then carboxylation reactions, then action of P2O5, and then the reduction of carboxylic acid. Okay. So here first we are going to start the reactions of carboxylic acid with ammonia. When carboxylic acid RC double bond OOH, this is the carboxylic acid, reacts with ammonia. Ammonia, it can be written as HNH2. Okay. Now here this H, this combined with this, first we get ammonium salt of carboxylate, means ammonium carboxylate, or that is called as the ammonium salt of carboxylic acid. This NH3 plus H to form NH4 combined here, and this is the ammonium salt of carboxylic acid, or it is also called as ammonium carboxylate. Ammonium carboxylate. Then ammonium carboxylate, this, it is on heating, it loses water molecule, this H2 combined with O, minus H2O, and we get RC double bond O NH2. This is corresponding acid amide. Okay, means when acetic acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium acetate, and ammonium acetate on heating to gives the acetamide. Okay, then similar to other carboxylic acid, even though the benzoic acid, first it gives the ammonium benzoate on heating to give the here benzamide. Okay, next one, that is this acid amide, it can be prepared from the acid chloride CRC double bond OCl. When acid chloride reacts with ammonia in this way, then this Cl combined with H, okay, and we get here RC double bond O NH2. Again here acid amide is formed. Okay, means this is the convenient method to prepare the acid amide from acid chloride. And then action of P2O5, that is formation of anhydride. Formation of anhydride. Next one, formation of anhydride, that is action of P2O5 or concentrated sulfuric acid. Then anhydride is obtained. Here anhydride. Okay. So here RC double bond OOH and RC double bond OOH. These two are the carboxylic acids. Then these are heated with P2O5, phosphorus pentaoxide, or concentrated sulfuric acid. These are the dehydrating agent, which they heated with carboxylic acid. H combined with OH, here minus H2O, and remaining RC double bond O, here C double bond OR, corresponding acid anhydride. For example, here CH3 C double bond OOH and CH3 C double bond OOH. Acetic acid heated, here minus H2O in P2O5. This H combined with OH, H2O, and this acetyl group combined here to form here CH3 C double bond O, C double bond O, and CH3. This is acidic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Okay. Then benzoic acid reacts with this P2O5 to form benzoic anhydride. Here acetic anhydride, it can be prepared, easy way to prepare the acid anhydride from the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, that is RC double bond ONA, plus here RC COCl means acid chloride and sodium carboxylate. When they heated to form here Na combined with Cl, here minus NaCl, and we get here RC double bond O, C double bond O, R. That is anhydride, acid anhydride. And how these sodium carboxylate and acid chlorides are obtained? When carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide aqueous, then it gives this H combined with OH minus H2O and RC double bond ONE. This is the sodium carboxylate. And when carboxylic acid reacts with PCl5, PCl3 or SOCl2, then it gives RC double bond OCl plus here POCl3 plus HCl. Means this acid chloride obtained from acid, then here sodium carboxylate obtained from acid. When they are obtained from the acid and then they react with each other to form the anhydride. This is the easy way to prepare the anhydride. Okay. Next one, that is decarboxylation reactions of carboxylic acid. Here, decarboxylation reactions of carboxylic acid or action of NaOH, concentrated NaOH on here carboxylic acid. So here R C double bond OH fused with the concentrated NaOH. Okay, so here this R combined with H to form here RH, corresponding alkane. Okay, and then this NaCOO, this O and H. So it forms NaSCO3 or it gives the carboxyl, means evolution of the CO2. Okay, so here to form here Na2CO3. This Na2Na and 1CO3 and plus here H2O. Okay. Or it may be written as RC double bond OH plus here NaOH. First it gives RC double bond ONA, sodium carboxylate. Then sodium carboxylate ONA again reacts with NaOH to form here this combine here and to form here Na2CO3. Okay, and H combine here to form here RH, means corresponding alkane. And this is the decarboxylation reaction because this CO2 it gets evolved from the carboxylic acid in the form of the Na2CO3 and to form the corresponding alkane less than one carbon atom. Okay, means if we consider sodium here acetic acid, then first it gives sodium acetate and this sodium acetate on again fused with NaOH to form here methane in this way. Okay, and the last reaction, that is reduction of carboxylic acid or reduction of carboxylic acid group, COOH group. So here reduction can be carried out in the presence of reducing agent like LiAlH4 and then remaining reducing agent. So here are COOH, reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, that is COOH group. Okay. So here RCOOH, carboxylic acid, on reduction means here H2. How many H2 required? This OH combined with one H, here again H2O, then H combined with this to form R, H, and OH. Here twice H2O. In presence of Li, Al, H4, lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, so this, for example, here CH3COOH twice H2 in presence of LiAlH4 heated, then OH combined with first H, here H2O, then H combined with this O, so to form here CH3COH, and two hydrogen atom combined here to form here ethyl alcohol. So if benzoic acid is there, here COOH plus here twice H2 in presence of LiAlH4, then here OH combined with one H to form here H2O, and then this CO gets converted into CH2OH. So it gives benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Okay. So after watching this video, attempt the following questions. Attempt the following questions. First, what is action of following on A, acetic acid, second B, benzoic acid, C, methanoic acid, and D, propanoic acid. That is, first ammonia, second P2O5, third NaOH concentrate, and fourth LiAlH4 means reduction. Okay, second one, how acetic anhydride obtained from acid chloride and sodium carboxylate. Here corresponding acid chloride and sodium carboxylates are used to prepare the acetic anhydride. Okay. Then third one, how is propionic acid converts into ethane. And fourth one, identify A and B in the following reaction. CH3CH2OH reaction on KMnO4 alkaline gives A plus ammonia gives B. Then here A is a carboxylic acid, okay, means directly. Then CH3MgBr reacts with CO2 solid giving you A plus NaOH fuse giving you B. Okay, here first it gives carboxylic acid and then here alkene.